Hey guys, we're going to make a deep fried chicken club sandwich for lunch today, so let's do it. Hi guys, Becki-licious here. Today, like I said, we are going to make this amazing sandwich, but first, before we can get started, we need to let it marinate for at least an hour. So let's get this part done first, and this is just the seasoning aspect. We're going to put a little bit of salt and pepper, and the big thing is cayenne pepper, and then some buttermilk. And then this is just going to sit in the fridge for, like I said, at least an hour. So I wanted to get this started so that we can come back later on and we can do what we need to do. But hey, while I'm doing this, don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your friends, and definitely click on that link tree for some other fun stuff, okay? All right, so we've got our cayenne pepper. And then, of course, your buttermilk. So we're going to get that in there. Yum. Get this all mixed up a little bit. Make sure all that seasoning is spread out. Make sure that buttermilk is getting everywhere. This deep fried chicken club sandwich, of course, needs bacon because it's a club sandwich. Hello. So we've got our bacon going and our deep fries turned on. So let's do this. All right. So our chicken has been marinating, obviously, for well over an hour. I've got my flour seasoned up, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of cayenne pepper, a little bit of salt and pepper, of course. So we are going to very delicately get this puppy all in the flour mixture. We want this all coated up, just beautiful. The more coating, the crispier it's going to be. So that's what we're going for. So. All right, here we go. And our oil is at 350, obviously. So we're going to let this is going to take probably about 7 minutes because it's got to cook all the way through. So, all right. I deep fried my chicken for about 7 minutes. It's all done. I'm going to put a slice of pepper jack cheese on it and put it in the microwave just for a little bit because I want it to be just a little teeny tiny bit melted before I build my sandwich, okay? All right. Let's build this deep fried chicken club sandwich. I've been anxiously waiting for this to be done. So we're going to put a little bit of ranch dressing on our bottom bun. And I already went ahead and toasted the buns over on the skillet over there because, you know, I like to have my buns toasted. Nothing wrong with that. A little bit of ranch. All right. And then, of course, our bacon, because you cannot have a club sandwich of any kind without bacon, as my girls agree wholeheartedly. All right, and this is going to be such a monster sandwich. Oh, look at how this is going to be. Oh, yummy. All right, so we've got a couple of tomatoes, and then last but not least is our lettuce. And then, of course, you got to do a little bit more ranch on the top of your bun. Here we go. All right, I just need to grab my potato wedges now because I made some potato wedges to go on the side. So let me get this cleaned up, and it's time to plate up and eat. All right, lunch is served. We've got our amazing looking deep fried chicken club sandwich. Doesn't that just look phenomenal? And then I made up some Cajun potato wedges on the side because, come on, potato wedges. A little bit of Diet Dr. Pepper on the side, and we're in business. See, there you go. So lunchtime, ready to go. So there you go. I hope you guys had fun. I know I did. And I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye.